CHULUX electric stainless steel coffee spice grinder, 70 grams capacity, detachable grinding and chopping cups with built-in SS304 blades for dry moist food plus a cleaning brush. Grind and chop in one grinder. 200W motor with 2 blade cups by replacing different blade cup to grind for various ingredients. Grinder cup for dry food, coffee bean, spice nuts, pepper and linseed. Chopper cup for moist food, garlic, herb, basil and onion. Simple press down operation. Lid activated switch. Electric grinder only run once. Lid be secured and push down only takes 10s to 30s to finish job. Transparent lid allows you monitor grinding. Plus its rubber feet keeps mill grinder steady while working. Customize fineness or coarseness with stainless steel blades which pulverize with precision from whole to coarse or fine in seconds, depending on how long you process. No longer than 30s for one grinding cycle. It ensure fast and even grinding to maintain original flavor. Mini size but enough capacity. This coffee spice grinder takes up minimum counter space and can be easily stored in cupboards. With 2.5 ounce capacity can meet coffee brewing and cooking seasoning. The ideal compact kitchen utensil. Easy cleaning. The detachable cups can be dishwasher safe. Bonus free cleaning brush included for hand wash option. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.